boom, boom, boom. Now you bingy drum them, call through the night. Thunder roll, jah fire ignite. One heart, one people, one destiny. Unity and faith, that the key. One love, one heart. We shall never part. We shall never part. Me step through Babylon with me head held high. Faith in me heart and me eyes pan the sky. When the road get rough and the pressure get strong, we link up together and keep moving along. Them want divide I, them want divide you. But righteousness tell we what we do. No matter the color, no matter the land. When I and I unite, Japo expand from Kingston town to Africa ground. Here deny ya being the ancestral sound. Bassline shake and the drum them roar. Faith in a jam make we fear no more. If one fall, if one cry, if one cry, tell him go. If one laugh, unity stronger every day. Unity and faith, that are the weapon we carry. Unity and faith, so your children never worry. Hold the line, don't break apart. Put righteousness inside your heart. Unity and faith, we rise together, strong and great. Boom, boom, boom. Now you bingy heartbeat. Jah love concrete. Listen, me no bow to fear, me no bow to hate. Faith keep me moving when them close the gate. Pressure upon pressure still me elevate. Turn every obstacle into opportunity straight. Within on me vice fire, in on me chest. Jah give I strength to conquer the test. No silver spoon but me mind stay rich. Purpose in a motion, never switch. We don't need division, we need elevation. Build up the youth, build up the nation. Teach them for reason, teach them for stand. Teach them for build with them one to one. Africa tall and the diaspora here. Ancient wisdom tell we don't share. When knowledge and faith combine with action, unity become unstoppable traction. Traction, 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 traction. Unity, 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 unity. Tired of the lies and the people them bluffing. Time for rebuild, time for restore. Open up the heart and unlock the door. Mama need peace, youth need vision. Father need hope, community in mission. No more standing divided in a Babylon street. Link up the hands and make the circle complete. When the storm come down, stand. When the darkness surround, stand. When them say you can't, stand. Put your faith in a jar. Give thanks for breath, give thanks for strength when we face every test. Jah guide I feet when the road gets steep. Jah guard I soul when the valley gets deep. Me faith no counterfeit, me purpose legitimate. Me heart stay humble but me spirit powerful. Me build, me rise, me learn, me grow. Plant one seed and watch it overflow. No competition when the whole tribe win. If your brother rise, help him rise again. Rich in a wisdom, rich in a soul, rich in a purpose, that's the goal. Money can move but character remains. Faith keeps sunshine at a heavy rain. So when you see your sister, don't envy her light. Help her shine brighter and multiply sight. When you see your brother fighting his battle, give him encouragement, no judgmental battle. We are stronger together, we are wiser together, we are building together, we are rising forever, we are stronger together, we are wiser together, we are building together, we are rising forever. Unity and faith, your children rise up, never give a fight up. From Africa to the Caribbean Sea, from the mountains to the city, one vibration, one frequency. Jah love, connect humanity. Do not in the world We say have faith when the world give up. We say rise. The light in a darkness, a truth in a life. I and I together, stronger. I and I together, wiser. I and I together, higher. Yabbing get drunk, keep beating.
Bass keep pulling,
faith keep burning.